Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to delve into Numpy. We uploaded it, or installed it, a couple videos ago. I'll put that up right here. And now we are going to just do a quick overview. So one huge thing is the pretty standard way is to use the alias and use NP. So let's just talk about this for a minute. Numpy is extremely powerful. It is one of its awesome, and its main object is an array. And the thing that is so powerful about the NumPy array is you can flip it, turn it, slice it. There are some limitations, but what you'll really start noticing what we do here is we tack this on with pandas and matplotlib. It is unbelievably powerful, and it is awesome with arrays, and it can generate just anything you can think of. But one of the really powerful tools is how it can manipulate and twist arrays on its ear, turn them 90 degrees. You're gonna really see what NumPy can do if you haven't worked with it. It is unbelievably powerful, and it is even more powerful as a helper. So we're just gonna here. Well, let's just take a peek at it. I mean, just look at all these. Somebody took the time, and you can just wrap your head around every little thing. I mean, here's the one that I love. There's ones and zeros. You can literally just populate arrays with ones and zeros. How quickly you can do that. So starting points and things like that. So all right, and we're just gonna start jumping into it. But as always, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that little watermark down at the bottom. And if this video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And please, any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests, because somebody else has that same thought. They just are having a hard time asking it. So you're not just going to help the channel, you're going to help somebody else out. That's been my experience. So as always, thanks guys, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.